Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about copyright registration in India. So let's begin with what is copyright. A copyright is essentially a right not to copy someone's work. A copyright gives the owner of the subject an exclusive right over his work. If a work is protected by a copyright, no one can imitate, copy or reproduce the original work in any other way. A term of copyright in India in 60 years. A copyright can be taken for the following works: music, books, manuscripts, films, fashion design, training manuals, software, literacy work, performance, painting, etc. Why should one get their work registered under the copyright law? It is not mandatory to get copyright protection but always advisable to do so because it will give the owner a certain set of minimum rights over his work and the protection that no one will be able to copy his work for a minimum period of time. This satisfaction will always motivate the owner to do more work and create more items. Procedure to obtain a copyright registration. To obtain the copyright registration, the following process has to be followed. First, an application including all the particulars and the statement of the particulars in the format of Form 4 has to be sent to the registrar along with the requisite fees mentioned in the Schedule 2 of the Act. A separate application has to be made for separate work. Secondly, every application has to be signed by the applicant as well as an advocate in whose favor a wakalatnama or a POA has been executed. The registrar will issue a diary number and then there is a mandatory waiting time for a period of 30 days for any objection to be received. Next, if there are no objections received within 30 days, the scrutinizer will check the application for any discrepancy, and if no one discrepancy is there, the registration will be done and extract will be sent to the registrar for the entry in the register of the copyright. If any objection is received, the examiner will send a letter to both the parties about the objection and will get both of them on hearing. After the hearing, if the objections are resolved, the scrutinizer will scrutinize the application and approve or reject the application as the case may be.